Welcome back to another one, and these are the Oleap Pilot headset.
This is the ideal headset if your workplace has a noise similar to this, because it will remove the noise out of the question.
A Bluetooth headset with a really awesome noise cancelling.
I've got a few scenarios right over here. This one is really loud. It's a traffic noise, and I've got a few others, but
I will share more examples with you towards the end of the video, where we will be doing some comparisons in different scenarios so that you can have an idea. Just because I want to share with you the best headsets that I've used so far in terms of noise cancelling on the microphone, especially when we are doing video calls and we have a lot of noise around us. This is just awesome. In terms of the package, it comes in this really nice box, everything really taken care of. By the way, this is a Kickstarter project. I will leave a link down below so that you guys can check it out. It comes with all the accessories, and it has these pop filters right over here, but so far I didn't feel the need to use them, and I honestly prefer to use it like this. It looks a little bit more awesome. Now it comes with all these accessories, as I said, but there's one that caught my attention, which is this Bluetooth USB adapter. The connectivity is via Bluetooth. I have tested with my iPhone, I've tested with my MacBook Pro. You can use with Windows computer, you can use with Android phones as well, any operating system. But if you want to connect two devices simultaneously, then we can use USB for our computer, for example, and it will connect directly, and I can connect via Bluetooth to my phone. So in this particular case, if I want to answer a call on my phone, I can, and then if I want to do a video call on my phone, I can, without messing around with connectivity. So this is a huge deal right over here. It also comes with a charging cable, USB, and then we have the charging station as well. Now it has a USB Type-C connection, so in terms of charging, we can connect it with a cable, any cable at all, but I do find that this charging station is really nice. Once we finish our work, just put it right over there, it will charge. It has a autonomy of 10 hours of usage, so no issues whatsoever for a full day of work. The design, it's also made for a full day of work, so it's an open ear headset. We have seen quite a few. This one is more targeted for those that really need to do voice calls, video calls, and don't want to transmit to that side, to the client, the noise that we have on our background. I see this really a awesome set for a lot of companies that sometimes contact us and we are hearing voices and so on and so forth from every side. In terms of the volume, it's great. It has a 16mm driver, so as you can see, it's quite big. It has a button here on the right side, which is for the mute. So if I'm doing a video call and I want to press mute so that the person doesn't listen to me while I do a question to a colleague or something like that, just bam, there it is. And here on the left side we have 3 buttons: volume up, volume down, and the multifunction, which will be play, pause, answering a call, rejecting a call, and so on and so forth. And if we want to fast forward the soundtrack, if we are listening to music, great. In terms of the audio quality, it's great as well. It has, as I said, the 16mm drive, which gives us a really nice sound, but at the same time it will keep us focused on the work that we do, and also we will have the noises that surround us. So if we are riding a bike or doing some kind of sport, I will be aware of everything. It will not block me like the normal earbuds that we have. That being said, hope that you guys enjoyed the video, but don't go just yet, because I've got right now the rest of the samples that I did test out. I was impressed, as you will have the chance to see, so just stay for a little bit more and you will be impressed as well how this Oleap headset works. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto Jorge. These are the Oleap Pilot headsets, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
at this moment,
No sounds at all. And one thing that you might notice is that if we are on a
quiet environment, the
quality will rise up. Of course, with the noise cancelling and a lot of noise, the quality will decrease a little bit. So just pay attention to that.
and we are, of course, with some extreme examples that I want to share with you. So let's keep on moving. This is the sound that
We are getting, so if I'm
walking in, if I'm doing a video call, and if I use my phone, for example, this would be the sound that I would get without the Oleap.
But if I'm doing a video call with your lip, then the sound that I would get even with my phone
would be this one right over here, because I can connect it to Android or I can connect it to iOS, in this particular case my iPhone. So this is a good example of the noise that we would get with the phone and with the Oleap. Just another example, this is still traffic, but this one is more intensive, as you can hear. But once we go to the Oleap, then it just becomes a lot more quiet, and I can have a conversation while I have complete awareness of the surrounding, which is noisy, really noisy. And if by some reason it's too noisy, I apologize from this side over here. I know that will be just fine with the Oleap. And if you don't work on the street, but if you are used to do your work on coffee shops, restaurants, and things like that, you have this kind of noise, which is wow. When we use the Oleap, then the sound once again becomes a lot quieter. So we have voices, we have that noise which is normal, but right over here we can use it without any issues whatsoever. Probably one sound here, one sound there. I would say that it's not 100%, but it's really probably 98, 99%. The next one is a shopping mall, which is also an environment that we are used to when we are doing our shopping and things like that. And if we have the Oleap, then we can talk, we can say, hey, no, I'm home, I'm working, I'm doing whatever. And the noise that we have in the background will notice. Now let's jump to the last one, which is, as you can see once again, no noise. You will notice improvement on the quality. And if we go to the office, which is a environment that a lot of people work, especially when we are doing that kind of work, which is to answer calls, answer phones, and things like that. So with the Oleap, great. Without the Oleap, this is what we get: voices, machines, glasses, things like that. It's really hard to concentrate while having the volume high. And in here, things look like, well, just great, no issues whatsoever. Here, noisy, here, just great.